Thank you. So, as you guys can see by the title, we're buying a house. This process has been so crazy and terrible. I hate the home buying process. It's been like a roller coaster of emotions, like finding houses and then the houses selling. Really just like expensive, like just a lot of expenses coming out. But I think, you know, this is the one. We're gonna go close on it today. You know, fingers crossed everything goes well, and if it does, you're seeing this video right now. Currently we're on our way to do the walkthrough, and then we're gonna go to closing. Got my certified check, and yeah, I don't know if I'll film like the MC house tour during the walkthrough, because it might be a little awkward with like the realtor and stuff there. But we definitely want to take pictures, because after the closing I have to go to work. No fun. But yeah, I'll like probably take, oh no, I was like, I'll take a video of the outside. No honey, you're not taking the outside of my house for privacy reasons. There's 10,000 of you on here, and y'all aren't gonna see my house. You'll see the inside of it though, one day. I'll probably include it in this vlog, like maybe I'll do it tomorrow night, because tomorrow we have to prep it to be painted. So yeah. Here's my nails. I always show you guys when I'm vlogging and driving what my nails look like. It's like so humid out, but like it's like cloudy and ugly. I feel like Kevin is driving so fast right now. I'm following him and he is just zooming. But yeah, I'll let you go because it's probably really like loud and yeah. Take a little video. Hi, I'm at work and my head hurts. I didn't vlog yesterday, like at all. After we got the house, I don't know why, because I went there and we were there like just cleaning and stuff. But I will vlog today because we're doing fun stuff. But right now I'm at work. Hello guys, so today's the next day and I forgot to vlog the rest of yesterday, honestly, not gonna lie. And currently I'm on my way to Kevin's because we gotta go to the bank and set up like accounts for like our bills to get taken out of and stuff like that. And then we also need to go buy paint, and then we're also gonna go to the house later and we have to prep the house to get painted. And my cousin is there currently. He is like changing out like our fixtures. So I don't know where he's at with that. So yeah, we'll vlog all of that today, hopefully if I remember. And then I have some friends coming over to see the house tonight. I think we're gonna do like Chinese takeout food. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I'll like vlog us like eating there, like our first meal and stuff. But super exciting things. I feel like I have not vlogged in forever. It's been so long, and I don't know. I've just been going through it, you guys. I mean, hasn't everyone else? I mean, but yeah, I healed okay, so I never posted anything about my like last surgery that I had for my boobies, and I don't know, I just think I'm over that part of my life. I'm tired of being the person that got a botched breast reduction. I don't know, but then again, like, I put myself out there and that's just what I am. But just a little update, I'm getting another surgery, so there's that. Yeah. Anyway, I will vlog later. Hi guys, we're in the house and I just changed. I'm like, where's the light switches? Like, I'm not even used to being in this space yet. Where's that light switch at? Okay, hey guys, we're here at the house now. I'm gonna put you here to see if the lighting is better. Or maybe not. Maybe keep leaving. Okay, so we're here in the kitchen. Me and Kevin are about to eat because I'm so hungry. We haven't eaten all day. And basically, that's the fan back there. And we got 4 of those. And they're duds pretty much. And they're from Amazon. Don't buy them. But they just, the lights flicker. Like when they're on, it's just like a constant flicker. They're no good. So we're gonna have to return those, and then we went and literally bought, they look exactly the same but from Lowe's. So let me show you. So this is the fan that does not work. It's the LED light, something's wrong with it. But then these are the fans we bought from Lowe's. So I think they look exactly the same. So yeah. So we're eating our first meal. What do you get to eat?
Chinese food, I'm hungry.
Hi guys, we're at the house. It is the next day. This always seems to have the best lighting here. So yeah, it is the next day. My sister is here with me, and Kevin and my cousin and like uncle are outside, and we got a riding lawnmower today. So they're putting that out in the shed. And we're just prepping the house to be painted tomorrow. My sister, she's sweeping. So let me show you. So they like took all these things off. Yeah, those like roll open. We got this fixture in. It wasn't there yesterday. We got our new fans up and they actually work. And they're a little different. But yeah, and then here's all the old fans that we had. And then like they took all of these little thingies off to prep it to be painted. There's holes. So yeah, this is what we got. Oh my gosh, guys, I haven't vlogged in forever. Not forever, like a few days, but so much has gotten done. The walls are completely white. So we have some of this stuff set up. We got little plants here. This, I'm out of breath because I just brought this whole thing inside. This is a patio set. But yeah, the whole thing is white. This is decor. And look, this we've got set up with this new light, new kitchen table. And there is not much in any of the rooms, so I won't show you that, but it's all white. But guys, that is going to be the end of today's video. Stay tuned for like an official house tour. I'm sure I'll do one once everything is like in its spot. But right now we're just in the process of moving, and I am so excited, but I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.